For repair with 49.5mm plugs, you'll need the following tools. First, drill a hole using the cylinder head drill. Note the information on the diameter. For assistance during drilling, use the centering panel. It is secured to the alkus panel with nails. Pre-drill the hole for the plug and remove the centering panel afterwards. Insert the plug into the pre-drilled hole and drive it in with the plastic hammer. Remove the excess material with the paint scraper. If needed, the paint stripper can be used additionally. In just a few steps, the alkus solid plastic panel is repaired and ready for use without any loss of quality.